I'm organizing everything that's on the floor. Lilith came and brought me one of her toys. Lilith, do you want me to organize your little fluffy toy? Do you want me to add this to the collection? Lilith. Now, Lilith, how come that carpet right there is all rough? That's you trying to break into this room every night. Okay, we will add this to the collection. This will go next to... It'll go next to Grimlock. Lilith, your little plushie, will go next to Grimlock. Lilith. Right there.